Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a really fun fall look for y'all today, and it's this look right here. I was just super inspired to do a fun fall look, especially using this palette. This palette just totally inspired me. I wanted to play with it. This is the Colourpop Good Sport Palette. I love the packaging on it, but then there's just so many creative, fun fall possibilities with this palette. I think it's just so different and I love it. So I wanted to play with it today, so that's what I've got on my eyes. I have some other affordable goodies on my cheeks for my highlighter, blush, and also on my lips. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing a fun fall look together today using some affordable goodies, so let's get to it. Okay, so I've already applied some eyeshadow primer and set that, so now I'm gonna take my Good Sport palette from Colourpop, and I'm gonna get some of Trooper on a Cozette S175 brush. This is a beautiful, amazing, mustardy yellow color. Oh my goodness, I love it. Did I say where I'm applying this? I can't remember, but I'm applying this in my crease and transition area and just kind of blending and diffusing this color. Wow, that is beautiful. I love that. Okay, now I'm gonna get some of High Hopes on a smaller brush. This is a Cozette D220 brush. There is a hair on it, likely a Chester hair. Gonna get some of this and apply it into my crease, but just keeping it a little bit lower. I'm gonna take a small crease brush and get some of this shade right here. This is Flow, a really pretty kind of muted purpley shade. And I'm applying this into the outer corners of my eyes. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a halo eye instead. So, just for fun. So I'm gonna put some of this on the inner corners of my eyes and slightly blend this over. Just barely putting some of this in my crease, mainly in the inner and outer corners, and then just barely blending to connect. That is such a pretty color. Oh my goodness, I love that one. Okay, I'm gonna get more of Trooper and apply some of this on my lids, just right there in the middle. Gonna go over it with another color. And with each step, I look and think, you could almost just stop right there. Just so many possibilities with this palette. Ooh, I love it. This is kind of like grungy, this combination. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna get some of Licious on that same small detailer brush. And I do want to spray this because I want this to be super metallic-y and fun. Where is the setting spray? So spray some on the brush and put this right in the middle of my lid. Just kind of lightening the pressure when I get towards the inner corner and outer corner to kind of help blend that. Getting the most pop of the metallic finish kind of right in the middle of my lid and then right along my lash line. I just love this color. Going back in with Flow and my small crease brush and just very lightly doing some blending and reapplying. So I've got definitely that purple, but definitely the gold. Just kind of going back and forth to get that nice blend. Makeup really is like painting. It's like going back and forth and just layering to kind of get that good blend. And I am definitely not the blending queen or perfect at blending, but you know what? It's good enough for me. Because we're not going for perfection. We're just playing with makeup and having fun. I'm tempted to put a little bit of Reckless in my outer corner. Ooh, I think I'll put a little dot of it. Like 2 or 3 little dots. I really am liking the way this is looking, but I do usually like to have my outer corner just a little bit darker than my inner corner, even when I do a halo eye. I'm gonna go back in with just a little bit more of Trooper on that smaller brush, that Cozette D220, and just lightly apply a little bit more of this kind of high on my crease and transition area, because I really want you to see that yellowy color. And I really want to keep that golden brightness, so for liner, I'm just going to tight line with this Pixie Eye Define Waterline, and then I'm going to apply some of my mascara. I'm going to use my CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. After I have that in my tight line, I do want a little bit more, so I'm just going to put this right kind of in my lash line, as close as I can get it. And then I'm going to kind of smudge it in there so that it's really just looking like a thick lash line. Okay, went ahead and applied some concealer and some powder. So for my lower lash line, I don't have a drugstore gold eyeliner, at least that I could find. So I'm gonna use this one from Laura Geller, but I'm sure that there are gold ones at the drugstore, probably the L'Oreal Kissimmee, whatever they're called, liners. They probably have one. Okay, this is the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Fool's Gold. So I'm going to line my lower lash line with this first. For the outer corner, I'm going to get some of Flow on a BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. Just apply a tiny little bit of this on kind of the outer third, kind of lightly touching so that it sort of mixes with that gold. I wiped off my brush, and now I'm going to get some of this gorgeous gold again on that same brush, tap it off, and spray it with some setting spray, and then put this on kind of the inner half. I'm just going to finish off the eyes with some CoverGirl Clump Crusher on my lower lashes. Okay, moving on to the face for bronzer, I'm going to use some of my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It in Light, and just going to use a Sedona Lace, Sedona Lace FB 05 brush to apply some of this. Just really kind of doing some light contouring and getting some dimension and chiseling to the face. For blush, I wanted something warm, so I'm going to use my Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon. Super cute in the packaging. So just going to apply some of this on kind of the apples of my cheeks and blending back. For highlighter, I'm going to use Colourpop's Flexatarian. So pretty and so metallic. I'm applying this with a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 14 brush. Just getting some of that on that brush and applying this right on the tops of my cheekbones. For lips, if you want to try to tone down this look a little bit, I mean, this eye look isn't super toned down, but if you want to try to tone it down a little bit, you could totally just use a really pretty nude. I think that would totally work and look really beautiful, but I want to go for kind of a little bit more dark and dramatic and just a deeper fall look, so I'm going to use this combination. This is the Prestige Waterproof Lip Liner in Wine, and this is the Colourpop Luxe Lipstick in Pencil Me In. So pretty. Alright guys, so that wraps up this look. So I hope that you really enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful for you. Please do a thumbs up if it was, and let me know down below, what are your favorite fall makeup looks to do? What are your favorite color combinations, or your favorite lip colors, or eye colors to wear? I would love to know that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!